everybody. So today
Attempting to make dosa.
we're going to attempt to make dosa, which is a very light pastry type dish, and that's the mix. How exciting. So you find this in like Indian restaurants and stuff. South Indian menu. I've been kindly informed. And yeah, it's really, do you know how you get chapati and roti, which is really thick? This is not. This is very thin. Though I think on this one you might have put a tiny bit more than you did on the last one. But yeah, so you heat it on this pan. It's a flat pan. And then you let it cook for a little bit. And I don't know if you can see, but it's like, I don't want to get the shadow in. Look, see, it's very thin. So yeah, you can see the steam coming off it. And so what's in the mix?
Dal, urid dal, and rice.
So it's rice powder and dal powder. I don't know what that is in English.
It's urid dal.
It's urid dal
and rice.
and rice.
Soaked overnight.
Soaked overnight.
Blended.
And then blend it in the blender.
And then kept it for overnight.
And then make the mix and keep it overnight. That's a lot of prep. But guess what? It's all worth it, right? You're going to flip it.
No, gonna let it cook one side properly. All the steam needs to get out. Then I'll flip it.
Okay, so guys, let all the steam go out and then flip it.
It's an attempt. Because this is not our national food and we do not eat it every day. We're trying to make it. I got the recipe from my friend. And I hope this is the way she makes it.
I'm sure it is. Dun dun dun! See, it's really light. And I'm stuck. Now you're getting it.
So one side should be brown and crispy. That's how it looks like. Quite happy with it.
I'm very happy with it too. And then, so that's it. So you let it cook the other side. And what would you eat with it?
Well, I mixed the potato.
Ooh. It's like
That's how you eat in the restaurant. And when you ask for masala dosa, they put some potato inside. So that's how they make it.
Masala dosa.
I don't know how it's gonna taste. There you go, the dosa is done.
The dosa is done. Dun dun dun. Thank you for watching. Like, subscribe and follow, and we'll try different recipes and post it on and let you know how it gets on. Enjoy!